Let's now discuss bladder 59 or Instep Fuyang, an accumulation or Xi-Cleft point. Bladder 59 is located on the lateral aspect of the lower leg, 3 superior to bladder 60 in the depression between the highest prominence of the lateral malleolus and the Achilles tendon. How to find bladder 59? First, locate bladder 60 in the depression between the highest prominence of the lateral malleolus and the Achilles tendon. With edema of the lower leg, this point is not visible but palpable. From bladder 60, measure 3 chun, which is 1 handbreadth, in a superior direction. There locate bladder 59 in a depression between the Achilles tendon and the tendons of the peroneus longus and brevis muscles. Located on the same level is GB 39, 3 chun directly above the prominence of the lateral malleolus. Bladder 59 is needled vertically or obliquely 1 to 1.5 chun. Its actions and indications are it opens the channel and the Lu vessels, it benefits the lower back, benefits the head, and activates the Yang Qiao Mai. Special features, it is the Xi-Cleft point of the Yang Qiao Mai, the meeting point with the Yang Qiao Mai according to some authors. Bladder 59 is a frequently used distal point in the treatment of lower backache, particularly in chronic cases with weakness of the leg and back. This point strengthens the muscles and makes movement of the leg easier. The Yang stepping vessel promotes movement and agility of this point in its accumulation point, hence the effect in stimulating movement of the leg and back. It is effective only for unilateral backache. To give emphasis, bladder 59 removes obstruction from the channel, which include thigh pain, painful obstruction syndrome or the B syndrome of legs, atrophy of legs, inability to raise leg, feeling of heaviness of the legs, sciatica, ulcers on legs, redness and swelling of the lateral malleolus. It also invigorates the Yang stepping vessel and benefits the back, which includes lower backache with pronounced stiffness. Foot bone Yang regulates Qi and removes obstruction from meridians. As the accumulation point where blood and Qi gathers, it nourishes, invigorates, and tonifies Yang Qiao Mai. This point strengthens the muscle and makes movement easier. All Xi-Cleft points are useful for invigorating and dispersing pain or obstruction along the particular channel on which they are found and are much used in acute conditions. Being the Xi-Cleft or accumulating point of the Yang Qiao Mai, which is about mobility, being able to stand and move with vigor and precision, and the ability to raise one's leg up, explains its effect of increasing range of movement. This connection with the Yang Qiao Mai is why bladder 59 affects the side of the leg, including the muscle tone, and can absorb excess Yang Qi and wind from the head. Hence the use of this point for facial paralysis and seizures. It can also release the exterior and expel pathogenic factors. Bladder 59 is frequently used distal point for lower backache, especially chronic backache with weakness of the leg and foot. The connection with Yang Qiao Mai and indirectly with its partner vessel, the Yin Qiao Mai, helps explain why it is not only a great point for detoxifying body, mind, and spirit through its ability to absorb excess yang from the head and release the exterior. But the yin-yang Qiao Mai pairings also have a role to play in balancing yin-yang throughout the body and help to reestablish the natural rhythm and cycles in the person. This yang influence brings cleansing to all parts of the body, mind, and spirit, whether excreting putrid body fluids, as in perspiration and urine, at the level of the body, or helping cleanse the mind and spirit of the distrust, suspicion, and paranoia that can occur when bladder becomes contaminated. When instead of seeing the wonder of life, all a person can see is um, dinginess in threat, bladder 59 can help balance this experience. So bladder 59 strengthens the back. This point can be very effective um, for the elimination of toxins from the body and mind, and can be used in combination with Li4 to augment its effect. Considered for rheumatism of the ankle and heaviness and pain in the head, or an inability to raise the arms and legs. It helps to bring a person's natural rhythm and cycles back into balance because of its ability to harmonize the yin and yang within the system. Thank you for your attention.